contact goes missing or disappears on iPhone after the update, losing contacts on your iPhone can be frustrating, but solving these issues can take only a few steps. So, here is a list of troubleshooting steps you can follow to potentially recover your missing contacts. So, let's get started. Solution 1, check iCloud settings. Ensure that your contacts are set to sync with iCloud. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on your name, select iCloud. Tap Show All. Make sure the contacts toggle is enabled. If it's already enabled, try disabling and re-enabling it. Solution 2, check other account settings. If you sync your contact with other accounts such as Google or Outlook, ensure those account settings are configured correctly. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Contact, tap Accounts, and select the relevant account to check if the contacts toggle is enabled. If it's already enabled, try disabling and re-enabling it. Solution 3, back up your contact. Restore from iCloud Backup. Open Settings, tap Your Name, tap iCloud, tap Manage Storage, tap Backups. Choose the most recent backup that likely contains your missing contacts and restore your iPhone accordingly. Not that this will erase all data on your device and replace it with the backup. After that, your problem will be solved. If you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.